and welcome to Fitness, Food and Frugal, where we talk about recipes, weight loss and all in a budget. And this channel is strictly for beginners, so if you are just starting your weight loss journey, you are at right place. And in today's video, we will talk about tips to save money while on weight loss journey. So if you like to save money and also want weight loss, watch this video till end. My number one tip would be, do not buy expensive gym membership. You don't need a high-end gym in order to lose weight. आप एक अच्छे और सस्ते जिम में भी जाके weight loss कर सकते हैं. In Canada, I go to Fit for Less, which is way cheaper than LA Fitness or Good Life Fitness. I'm not saying that LA Fitness or Good Life Fitness are not good gyms. They are good, but I need to lose weight and I also need to save money. That's why I choose Fit for Less, which have all the equipments. I don't even use all of them which Fit for Less have. So I don't need to buy an expensive gym membership. I'm good with Fit for Less. Second tip would be, within buying the gym membership, if you are a student, there are 99% chances your university or college would have free gym membership for you. When I was in University of Waterloo, I used to go to University of Waterloo gym, which was completely free for me, and that was so good. Even people from outside used to buy gym membership of those gym. They have all equipments, they are well maintained and they are of zero cost. Why to go outside and buy expensive gym membership or even cheap membership if you can do it for free? So I would suggest, if you are a student, go to your university or college. They have free gyms for you. My second tip would be, don't fall for expensive diet. Gluten-free diet, vegan diet, keto diet, green juice diet, etc. etc. ग्लूटेन फ्री प्रोडक्ट या फिर वीगन प्रोडक्ट नॉर्मल प्रोडक्ट से बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं. बट अगर आप ग्लूटेन इंटॉलरेंट नहीं है या फिर आप वीगन नहीं है एंड आपको लगता है कि उससे वेट लॉस हो जाएगा, तो ऐसे नहीं होता. यू वॉन्ट लूज वेट इफ यू विल ईट ग्लूटेन फ्री प्रोडक्ट और वीगन प्रोडक्ट और ओनली ग्रीन जूसेस. Green juice bottles are so expensive, but you won't lose weight with them. They are just waste of money. Instead, just buy normal produce. अपने vegetable fruit buy कीजिए, अच्छे store से buy कीजिए and you will lose weight. Don't fall for all these diets. And number third tip would be grocery shopping. घर पे चीज़ लेके आने से पहले ही अगर हम मनी सेव कर सके तो उससे बेहतरीन क्या है. अगर आप ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं, सबसे पहले बात, कभी भी एम्प्टी स्टमक, खाली पेट ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग के लिए मत जाए. अगर आपको भूख, यू आर हंग्री एंड इवन इफ यू डोंट नीड समथिंग, यू विल बाय इट एंड यू विल वेस्ट मनी. सो डोंट गो ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग ऑन एम्प्टी स्टमक. माय सेकंड पॉइंट वुड बी, मेक अ चार्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल, मंडे को लंच में आई विल ईट दाल, आई विल ईट दिस सब्जी, आई विल ईट रोटी. Plan accordingly and make a list of all the things you need for that week and then go to grocery shopping. अगर आप बिना लिस्ट के जाते हैं या फिर अगर आप बार बार ग्रोसरी स्टोर जा रहे हैं, you are bound to spend more money. अगर आपके बहुत सारे ट्रिप्स लग रहे हैं ग्रोसरी स्टोर के, एक चीज़ की बजाय definitely you will buy 2-3 things extra which are not needed and you will waste money. So make a list of the things you need and that way you will stick to that list and stick to your budget and stick to your weight loss routine as well. So my fourth tip would be, do not buy the products which are labeled as 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 carb, etc. and are very expensive. पहली बात तो कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता जो 0 calories हो. But what these food manufacturers do, they try to label them as 0 calories, 0 carb and they try to sell them at very high cost. और हमें वो products नहीं buy करने and we have to save money. पहली बात तो मैंने बता दिया कि कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं होता जो 0 कैलोरीज हो. दूसरा, कई बार ये प्रोडक्ट्स में हिडन इंग्रेडिएंट्स होते हैं. इफ़ यू चेक द लेबल, इफ़ यू चेक द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, आप कहोगे ये तो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स ठीक है, दे आर ऑल हेल्दी, बट दे आर नॉट. दिस फूड इंडस्ट्री आर नॉट बाउंड टू राइट ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. अगर कोई इंग्रेडिएंट्स कंज्यूमर के हेल्थ पे डायरेक्ट अफेक्ट नहीं कर रहा, दे नीड नॉट टू राइट इट. माई नंबर 5th टिप टू सेव मनी while losing weight would be, eat locally and seasonally produced fruits and vegetables. For example, this avocado I bought for 100 rupees and I got 5 of these pieces. अगर मैं यही avocado इंडिया में बाय करूँ, I will get one avocado piece for 100 rupees, which is very expensive क्योंकि वो वहाँ का local fruit नहीं है, so it's expensive. But you don't need to buy expensive fruits and vegetables in order to lose weight. So whichever fruits are grown in India and season में जो fruits vegetable हो, you should eat them. Firstly, they are way cheaper than these they are exotic fruits, and secondly, if it's not grown seasonally and locally, it is probably not good for your health. My sixth and most important tip would be cook yourself. Buying food from outside, and let alone buying healthy food from outside, is very costly. Those salads, those green juice, they are so costly. You can't even invest in good cooking appliance जैसे कि स्लो कुकर, एयर फ्रायर, राइस कुकर. ये अप्लायंस आपके वेट लॉस करने के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. If you want to save time but want to eat healthy, these appliances are so good. You just need to throw in your vegetables, proteins and some masalas, and you don't need to stand there and stir it continuously. You just need to throw them and you are good to go. The seventh tip, do not go and buy expensive weight loss pills. Pills won't help you lose weight. So these were some useful tips on how to save money when you are on weight loss. I know weight loss products are very expensive, but you don't need to buy them. You just need to have control, you just need to be mindful, and you just need to have patience, and you will definitely lose weight. So if you like my video, consider subscribing, like this video, and please do comment down which next video you want to see, and I would bring it for you guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.